welcome back to my channel. This is Midwest Mama. Yep, I'm in my glasses, my hair's down, in a Christmas Coca-Cola sweater that I don't feel too confident in. I don't know, it's choking me. Anywho, I just got done at Target, and this is my most expensive haul yet. I spent $4.50, guys. It would have been $4.74, but with the red card and stuff, I got $24 off. I think I got one Christmas present, which is a gift card, which I can totally share when I show the haul. But I'm going on a little mini weekend getaway with my husband, so I bought some stuff for that. And I got food and stuff already that I would have got at Walmart. So things are just a little bit more. But I found a discovery in my car. Okay, so last payday, I was saying, like, to my family, I'm like, that's so weird that I didn't get my Just Bare chicken strips, because I normally get it every payday. It's just something that is like fast and easy, and you know, we all really enjoy it. I actually put it in my freezer bag and it went bad. So it doesn't smell, but then again, I think I might have contained it like in the actual package itself and then the freezer bag. So yeah, I need to dump that when I get home. I knew I had it. Like, I knew I bought it. I just felt like I did. But I think me and my daughter, we were out, and so I just put some stuff in like a freezer bag and completely, and I even knew I did it. I just completely forgot that I had it in there. But anyways, Kayla is sick, so she will not be going to a Friendsgiving tonight with her Girl Scouts, unfortunately. This kid has been sick quite a bit so far this year. Last year she did really good. This year is just not her year, and she's been having a rough go at it lately anyways. Not getting into details, but yeah, so she was coughing. So she made it through Tech Week. She made it through Wizard of Oz. I'm just gonna drive. She made it through Tech Week. She made it through Wizard of Oz, and then like some of the girls apparently got sick afterwards, and you know, she was like, nope, I'm good, you know. And then it was like 2 days ago she started coughing. Kind of didn't think anything of it, because sometimes, you know, you just cough, I don't know. And then was it, no, I don't think it was last night. This morning she woke up and she came downstairs and she said, my throat really hurts. She's like, I'm nauseous, I just don't feel good. So I'm like, oh my God, you know. And you know, not only that with the weekend getaway, but I mean, she's 12. Her older siblings who are that are adults are going to be home anyways, but it's just, you know, what are you waiting for, dude? What are you waiting for? It's just frustrating, you know, and you like to get your kids sick. So I got like an abundance of medicine. Oh my God, are you going to let everyone go? Lord. Okay, sorry. Yeah, so anyways, I just got a bunch of medicine. I got like cough medicine for her. I even got like lollipops for like, to see if it's like throat ease stuff, like to help your throat, you know, feel better. I actually bought like vitamins for myself just because I feel like at 43 I should have vitamins. And I got like I Googled like the best daily vitamin for a woman, and this was like number 3 on the list. God, is $37 normal for a month of vitamins, or am I just like super cheap? Anywho, I will show everything that I got. And I didn't get much like decorations or anything, but I won't share that anyways, because that's going to be in another video, which I've accrued quite a bit. I'm such a whore. Like, that did not come out right. I was going to say I'm such a horrible person. That didn't sound right, and then I accidentally said whore. I'm not that. I'm just like, I need to stop spending, guys. Like, it is just, I have a problem. But yeah, we do pay our bills, so that's a good thing. Anyways, stay tuned for my haul, and then I will be doing Sam's Club and Walmart delivery probably tomorrow, just because I won't be here in the weekend. So I just want to get it like all done and taken care of. So you'll be getting all those, and I'm already like preparing them in the carts and stuff. So anyways, stay tuned for those hauls. Hope you guys are having a great day, great week. I've been trying to make a whole house video. This week it's been rainy, so my knees have been really bad, and I've just been like really tired. And just like about 30 minutes ago, I thought I was sick. I don't know. I feel a little bit better now. I feel like I'm just exhausted. This weather just messes with my fibromyalgia so badly. Yeah, I just want to lay down. So anyways, stay tuned for this haul. Okay, here is my Target haul. Caitlin really didn't like the bars that I got last time, so I got these. These are the ones that she likes. I did get some K-Pods of coffee because I think we have no boxes left or pods left. 2 things of Honey Nut Cheerios. I think it was on sale again, like buy one, get one half off. I wanted to get Target's brand of tissues, but they didn't have any, so I just got Kleenex, and it's in their Christmas design, so I kind of felt obligated to. I got gallon and freezer bags, storage and freezer bags. 3 of the pimple patches for the children. Got 2 sets of Merry and Bright Christmas plates. 1 thing of Lysol wipes. I got 4 cans of the kernel corn. I already got it for Christmas. I make this corn in my crock pot. It's like my little mini crock pot. So this is like the best corn. So I'm getting it for that already and just putting it aside. This is for green bean casserole next Thursday for Thanksgiving. The 3 green beans. We are going to have chili. So I just got the stuff already there. They were like almost with the 5% off with the Target. It comes out to just about the same. 18 count of eggs. We are almost out. I thought they got rid of the Milani brand. They keep moving it into different spots, but I did find the brow pomade that I like in dark brown. Tissues. I got this for the weekend for my husband and I to do. I've always wanted to do these scratch offs, dates or surprise dates. I thought that was fun. And then since we've been together for so long, I figured this would be funny to kind of know like if we know each other really well. Just kind of fun. We don't really have any plans. We're just doing like axe throwing. That's like all we have planned. So having a Friendsgiving tonight for Scouts. I got sugar cookies with M&Ms, and then I got regular chocolate chip cookies. Some panty liners, and then I decided to try this Infinity Flex Foam pads, see how they work. My husband needed some of this. I hope this is what he needed. I got a 2-pack of deodorant for my son, some spray. I was going to use this because I was out of sanitizer, and now like I came home, but that's okay. I always can use sanitizer. This small little one is by our vanity because I never have it, and I don't want to go up to the bathroom every time to get it. We were all out of this setting mist. All of us girls wear it, so I just bought a new one. I found these cute straw toppers. This one will be for my Starbucks cup that's like bluish, and then I got like a red bow. I thought that was just adorable. I got these shampoo and conditioner for Native for the hotel. I couldn't remember if the hotel we're staying at has good shampoo and conditioner. Like I think they do, but I don't remember. Because like all hotels in Illinois now, they have to have pumps. Or they have to, they don't have like small bottles anymore. They have to have like pumps. It's like a thing. I don't know. I did get a gingerbread hand soap and dish soap because this is literally my favorite scent now. I really do like the Iowa Pine and the peppermint, but this one is really good. I got some Fancy Feast cat food for the kitties, and then where's the turkey? I got the turkey one for next, for Thanksgiving. So I told you Kayla's not feeling good. I actually got this for when like any of us gets sick, adults. Alka-Seltzer plus cold and flu, just to have on hand. This is the really expensive vitamin I got for myself because I do need one, and these were really high rating. It's the Ritual Essential for Women. You take 2 of these a day, and vitamin D3 for bone health, omega-3s, delayed release, vitamin D, vitamin E, folate, vitamin 12, iron, which usually I'm low on, magnesium, vitamin K2, boron, whatever that is. So yeah, It just sucks that I have to get that every month now, but I need to take a vitamin. Like, hello, I'm 43 here. In case Kayla wanted something, I did get her cold and cough Diamond Tap grape flavor. It does go, like, adults can take this apparently because it says like 12 or adults. So I figured, you know, she'd be good with that. And this is what I got to soothe her throat. They're throat soothing pops for kids. They're like literally like lollipops, but it helps their throat. And it says it tastes great. It's a flat shape and it's mixed berry. I didn't think the other flavors she would like. Got 2 packages of hash browns. Oscar Mayer honey smoked turkey breast. Kayla is not liking the lunch at school, sorry. And so we're going to look and see what days she does not want to get it because this girl doesn't eat and gets headaches and stuff. So she needs to eat. Since we're leaving, I thought the girls could make some cookies together this weekend. So I got chocolate chip and Oreo. Kaylin makes her own really good Oreo cookies, but I thought this would be nice just to have on hand for them. This is the crispy fried onions for green bean casserole. I found this lactose-free chocolate milk for Kayla. I think it was either $1.99 or $2.99. It's 50 calories a cup and then less sugar, protein, all that good stuff. I got 3 Coffee Mate Zero Sugars for me, a pulp-free orange juice for my boy, 3 steamed cauliflower in the bag, 2 things of mild cheddar classic. All of us have been liking our grilled cheeses that we make, so. And then I got some lean cuisines for myself. I got the Vermont white cheddar mac and cheese, and I got a 4-cheese pizza. And then I really, really like these. I'm actually going to make one in a second. The herb roasted chicken. It tastes really, really good. Like, I don't know, the sauce, I don't know what it is. And then I also got a spinach and artichoke cheese dip for myself. And then 2 gallons of milk, 2 half and halves. I got Downy. And then that's the cherry blossom one. And then I just got this roll of socks. I just figured like for Kayla's Secret Santa, she could just throw it in with the gift. A package of paper towels. And then in here we have like a 13 or 14 pound of cat sand. And cats are always going on my containers. Hi, Murphy. So that was a whopping $4.50. Yeah, oh, you know what? I forgot Kayla's shirt. Where's that? It's like, it's really plain, but she wanted it. She likes to wear these types of shirts. So it's just a long sleeve with little buttons. There was this other, and of course they didn't have it in her size. So anyways, stay tuned for my other hauls, which will be tomorrow. And then since I won't be here this weekend, I hope to get this out by like Monday. Hope you guys are all doing great. I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys. Okay, I picked up my Walmart and it was $181.74. The only thing they didn't have was Caitlin's Better Good crackers. I got 2 packages of the Rouse spaghetti. I need spaghetti. Oh no, I think I do a spaghetti sauce. I got the Equate Sensitive face wipes. I actually like this more than Neutrogena and it's cheaper. I got 1 rice-a-roni beef, 2 pastaronis, fettuccine alfredo, and the other one is Shell's white cheddar. And then I got shake and bake, because yes, I still use shake and bake. Knorr cheddar broccoli, 3 boxes of the Texas toast garlic. I got cherry candy canes because, you know, 'tis the season, guys. A bag of Cape Cod kettle chips, 2 party size popcorners, white cheddar. Dinner rolls, these are for Thanksgiving. I got some Parmesan cheese. Bread's falling. Whoops, okay. Flushable wipes. I got some stuffing. That's already for Christmas, actually. I got ranch. They weren't out of it last payday, so this time I was able to get it. I got 4 avocados that, one is like, look how ripe that is. Like, I don't know if you can see the indentation, but like really ripe. And then the other 3 are good. 5 Granny Smith apples. I think I got 9 bunches of broccoli, Hawaiian bread, butter bread. I got a family pack of chicken breasts that I'm definitely going to have to separate. I got chicken party wings with flats and drumsticks. And then I got a big package of just chicken wings. a bag of romaine mixed lettuce or salad, sorry. 2 of the Sargento balance breaks, the wheat thins with Monterey Jack and mild cheddar cheese. Caitlin brings those to work with her. I'm still liking the Minute Maid Zero Sugar Pink Lemonade, and I think Kayla drinks some of it too. And then I got the pineapple for Caitlin. 3 of the stacks for my son. Heavy whipping cream. 2 of the Light and Fit Greek banana cream yogurts. Some Tostitos, a salsa con queso medium, applesauce, and I got a bag of sweet potatoes. Wasn't sure what we were doing for Thanksgiving yet, so thought maybe we can make sweet potatoes instead of like mashed potatoes. I don't know. And then I got a thing of Mountain Dew Zero. So I'm going to be picking up my Sam's Club order. I think it was like maybe $135. It wasn't that much. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to put this stuff really quickly away, and then I will share with you that haul. Okay, here is my Sam's Club pickup order. It was $141.59. I did get a thing of quilted Northern. We weren't completely out, but I just decided to get it anyways. I think it was cheaper. Omeprazole was still on sale for $7 each, so I got him 2 boxes. I got Kayla her Little Bites, 2 of them. My husband steak strips. I don't know if he needed it or not, but I got it anyways. Another thing of Kerrygold butter. We were out of deodorant, so I bought a pack because like all 3 of us use them. I got green grapes. I need to take that icky one out, and for some reason I could have sworn I added red grapes, but I don't have any. So, I didn't get charged for it. So I got a thing of string cheese, Just Bare chicken strips, and this time it's going to make it into my freezer, not stay in my car for over 2 weeks. Whoops. Just to make life easier. The kids are home for the week, next week. Not my oldest, obviously, she works, but, so I figured I would just do, I don't know, easy stuff. Got some baked scallop potatoes, and we got some oven roasted potatoes, and that's it, guys. Yep, that's it. So that was $141 and some change. So, sorry, I'm getting to a better light. Kind of, sort of. So that concludes my hauls for this payday. I hope you enjoyed it. The total is here. I don't even know because like I haven't figured it out yet, but I definitely spent under $1,000, right? Yeah. So that's good. Better than last paycheck. So I will see you guys at my next haul. Bye.